Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you how to get free Robux in Roblox using working secret promo codes. And this method is super simple, guys. This is going to allow you to get 10,000 Robux using secret Roblox codes, and it takes just a few minutes to go ahead and do this. So before I show you how to do this and get free Robux, make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a huge gift card giveaway as well. So if you don't want to run through the steps that I'm showing you, you can go ahead and just like and subscribe. But yeah, this method is going to get you Roblox redeem codes that you can use right now to get 10,000 Robux for free. So as you can see, guys, this is where you enter it. You enter it into the Roblox website in the redeem codes part, and this is going to basically supply you with Robux. So let's show you how to get your code. You need to use your mobile phone internet browser to do this, so you can use your mobile to get your code and then redeem it on PC if you wish. So yeah, go to www.crashcoupons.com. So I'm just typing it exactly like this, Crash Coupons. It's going to bring you to this website here, and they actually have hundreds of different pages, guys. And they have hundreds of codes for Roblox games. So you need to use the search bar and just type in Roblox promo codes. So make sure you type promo codes, because you might struggle to find this page, because like I said, there are tons of Roblox game codes on here. So search for Roblox promo codes, and on this page there are a few different options, guys, as you can see, but this one is the Robux code. So this is going to get 10,000 Robux for free in Roblox, and this is a simple promo code, guys, that you can use right now. And it only takes a few minutes to obtain. So this is the quickest and easiest method to get free Robux in Roblox. And this is working in 2026, guys, these promo codes. So as you can see, your code is ready and will be revealed once you complete verification. So basically, guys, as you can see, you need to unlock your Roblox promo code. That basically prevents people taking these limited codes, so you can only get one code per person. I did this earlier and it is super easy. So click on get full code, and it's going to bring you to this page here, guys, and this tells you what you need to do to unlock your Roblox Robux code. Complete 2 of the free offers below to get your code from Crash Coupons, and make sure you follow the instructions below each app. So you're going to have a list of tasks on this screen. They are completely free, and they're really easy things like opening mobile apps, playing mobile games, answering surveys. Just make sure you do follow the instructions for each task that you choose. So you tap on it and follow what it tells you to do there. Complete 2 of them and it will send you back to Crash Coupons, and your Roblox free Robux promo code will be revealed in this box, and then you simply redeem it in the Roblox website in the redeem Roblox code part here, and it's going to supply your account 10,000 free Robux. So go to Crash Coupons and make sure you do search for Roblox promo codes, guys, and that is the quickest and easiest method to get free Robux. Make sure you like and subscribe for that gift card giveaway, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.